Hi there, the sun's out, what a glorious day. I'm here at Porsche Brooklands. I'm here to get my rear exhaust clamps checked. If you have a Cayman, when's the last time you've checked your rear exhaust clamps? Mine are corroded, they've cracked, the car's 10 years old, they're about to come off. We'll get the car up on a ramp, I'll show you how the clamps look, and let's get them replaced. Now I know some of you say you can do this at home, the clamps are tack welded in the factory I believe. Let's see what's involved, enjoying life in cars to the max. See, we've got the new Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tyres, front and back. Not Porsche rated though, they're not N rated, well.
Bending the rules again.
Yeah, I know. There we go. So this is something you should all check, because unless these guys pointed it out to me on my last service, I'd have never looked at it. Okay. I was getting a bit worried about the one on the left, so you can see how cracked. I mean, that one's pretty much gone. The other new clamps, they're the same fitment, I guess, aren't they?
Yeah, exactly the same as the originals. So we'll get the grinder. Going to do a nice clean cut through here without damaging the exhaust to split it. We won't be able to undo this nut due to the corrosion. And then we'll unpull the clamps, put the new ones on, and then your big job will be done.
Excellent, nice and quick job, really.
Just like that.
There we go.
That's it, just like that.
It's a lot easier than taking them nuts off.
Yeah, that's why we just cut them. Now what we'll do is we'll unpeel these clamps from here and peel them off here, and hopefully they'll be done. So the spot weld that you was on about is
yeah, where is that?
just around the back of the tailpipes here. So we'll chisel through that to get these clamps off.
Take a fair knocking, don't they?
Yeah, they're pretty stuck on. All we do is we'll put the clamps over the top of them.
Okay.
And then that way, because otherwise we'd have to disturb your top clamp up here.
Oh right.
Because they're clamped across the top here, the exhaust. And then we'd have to disturb back to be able to split the two boxes apart enough.
Okay.
Which would be more cost, more parts.
No, we don't like that. No.
So,
see it coming. I don't reckon I would have been able to do this at home on my back under the car, to be fair.
it would have been interesting.
Yeah,
The only
really.
difficult part is dealing with the spot weld. Once you get that off, then
So does the new clamp fully open up? I mean, how do you actually fit the...
so the new clamp will unbolt.
Oh, okay. Then you just slide it over.
Fully open it. So we'll take this nut off, fully open it,
Okay.
slide it over.
So it's pretty flexible then, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
and then the design to crush up around it.
Okay. And what was the reason that you say they crack a lot? Is it the temperature? Because it's like hot, cold, hot, cold.
Yeah,
And...
hot, cold, hot, cold. Also, you've got these big tyres throwing up all the salt from the road during the winter and stuff. Also, all the rain when it's wet. And with the heat, hot and cold of the exhaust,
Yeah.
it's essentially the best place to grow rust. So, can actually see where the clamp had started to rust behind here as well, through this part, which you wouldn't see in the front.
Right, well that's one clamp off. I don't think you're going to find it.
That one.
Oh, there we go. Look. Let's check the amount of corrosion on that.
So you can see the original corrosion, which was this part here where we cut through, but then also the corrosion around the back of the clamp, which you couldn't see before. This is where the spot weld was. You can see it actually started to corrode around that part and across the back part here.
Yeah, making me feel glad that I'm getting the work done. But I'm not going to bother filming the other one, because you've seen one come off. It's not much more fun seeing the other one come off, so I'll let Mike work without me over his back.
We'll do the same on this side, and then we'll adjust the tailpipes, get them fit nice in the bumper, and then we'll do it up.
Brilliant. Right, well, I'll leave you to it now, so thank you very much. Cheers. So I didn't want to watch over Mike as he finished up. As you saw, we took both clamps off. He's just tightening up both the clamps now, and it's something that I just thought I probably did not need to get this done. But you know what, I just feel a lot better knowing that those clamps are not looking all tired and rusted. I've got new clamps on there, because the worst that could have happened is that centre tailpipe section would have like just dropped down a bit. Wouldn't have fallen off, it wouldn't have really touched the road, and I would have known when they failed, and then I could have actually switched them out then. But the way I see it, I've kept on top of it. I haven't waited for that failure, so glad I got it done. The car is now ready. There is nothing that needs to be done to that car now. Enjoying life and cars to the max. See ya.